Today we're unboxing weBoost's home multi-room booster. This is the middle of the road booster for weBoost. It'll handle a large home, usually a single-story home. It's considerably less expensive than the Home Complete unit, and yet it's still very powerful and comes with a lot of the same parts. Let's take a look. Immediately you'll notice retail packaging, which is something that you don't see on the more expensive booster. This is the kind of booster that potentially you could pick up at retail, and you do get a nice box here. It's kind of double boxed with an outer shell and a nice handle. I'm opening it up with care to try to preserve some of the packaging. Just flip open the side if you can. It comes open pretty easily, and you'll see these little finger holes allow you to pull the entire thing out. And I'm taking some extra care to try to preserve a lot of this stuff, but you don't have to. So just slide it out, and you'll see the double box will then open from the side. This one is a little bit loosely packed, but again, this is a demo unit, so it could be packed a little bit tighter in the final. There's some molded plastic pieces that do hold everything together. And the first thing that comes out is the antenna unit. Same antenna that you see with the weBoost Home Complete, and it's got that nice little stand on the back, and the cable is attached. Very nicely done here. Very stylish too. You have multiple mounting options. You can wall mount this with screws or with command strips, which are included. Very nice. Here you see the way the antenna is mounted. Comes with the cable, comes with the mounting strips, comes with that little plastic piece which actually slides in. Looking past the instruction manual for a second, let's take a look at that outdoor antenna. Looking a little close, this is a high quality directional antenna. It's the same antenna that comes with a more expensive unit, and it is of that Yagi log periodic type design. I really didn't take a look at it inside to see if it was a Yagi or a log periodic. One nice touch I especially like is the weBoost name kind of pressed into it. Going back to the box, you'll find the power adapter, which is not incredibly interesting, but it's packaged right next to the booster unit, which is a lot nicer. It's in its own little plastic cradle, as you can see. It's got that same kind of mounting piece and comes with command strips if you want to put it up on the wall. Let's take a closer look. In the stock photo you see overall high quality plastics, good looking industrial design. This is not the kind of thing that's going to jump out as a work of art, but hey, it's a cell booster. And the most important thing is that it works great, and it also looks okay, so it's not going to completely embarrass you or look like you're trying to build a nuclear weapon in your living room. And of course you get all the cables that you're going to need for this sort of thing. You get a good selection of plain old RG6 cables, you get clamps, you get command strips, you get everything that you're going to need to mount, and you also get this really nice antenna bracket, which I'd like to look at a little bit closer. Unlike most mounts, which are basically zinc or steel and give you really one option to mount to a pole, this particular mount looks like it's red anodized, and it gives you the tool that you need to hook it up. And there's actually a couple of different ways you can put this together. You can mount it right on an eave without a mount. You can mount it to almost anything round. It's really a very nice piece and very high quality for something in this price range. Overall, the weBoost Home Multi-Room is a very nice looking package, especially for something in its mid-price range, and I expect it to do very well in instrumented testing. You can find the Home Multi-Room right now at Solid Signal, and while you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to get new videos every week.